What's up, family? Welcome back to another legendary reaction video. Let's go.
Well, everybody's heard about the bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird is a winner. Well,
I got a bird over here donking.
Well, a bird is a winner. Well, a bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird. Well, a bird is a winner. Well, a bird.
Family, comment down below. Was this song originally formed because of Larry Bird? I'm curious.
The bird's a winner. Well, a bird. Well, a bird is a winner. Well, a bird. The bird's a winner. Well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is a winner. Well, a bird. The bird's a winner. Well, everybody's heard about the bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird. The bird's a winner.
With the deep crossover though. Deep
The bird's a winner. Well, a bird. 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 The bird's a winner. Well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody's talking about the bird. Well, the bird. The bird's a winner. Well, the bird.
Oh, you see how he fell into the thing? You could tell. It hurt a little bit or something. Goodness, the flashy behind the back pass though. That buzzer beater shot, and then he ran to the locker room. Was like, "Told you so," before he ran in there. I felt like BJ, I believe that's the point guard name, and Larry Bird had a good chemistry, just as Kevin McHale and Larry Bird did. You know, it came organically, like naturally flowing down the court. Well, anybody Bird has a naturally. It looked like he was about to shoot the fader, and then he just wrapped it around the defender down and just the pass on. Spin around. You think he gonna he gonna do the spin around J, but then he don't. Passes it right to 31. Look. Let alone the score. Always fight for his offensive boards, rather they're his or his teammates. Faked out one defender behind him, did that. Then he faked out the front defender, did the up and under, and did the shot. Not with the under the court reverse dunk. Oh my goodness. They playing volleyball in these streets. Took it right back. Down below, family, not to get off subject. Well, what is this song? Who is singing this song?
Tell it's me by the clamor now, baby. I'd like to tap the street. Now I've been smoking for so long. You know I'm here to say, got you in a stranglehold, baby. You best get out of the way. Keyalmight stop doing that. Road cruiser's a bitch now, baby. No, you can't turn me round. If a house gets in my way, baby, you know I'll burn it down. You ran the night that you left me, put me in my place. Got you on a stranglehold, baby. You gotta cross your face.
Beat switch up with Larry doing that legendary shot and then looking away after acknowledging the fans out of respect. him out of here. I'm gonna end this. They can't record. And my man was balling in Converses. You think people could ball as hard as Larry Bird with Converses today versus Converses back then when Larry Bird wore them? I'm curious. Still dribbling on the floor. Perfect. It's like 3-on-1. Offensive. Thank God. Oh my God. You done got the referee hype this morning. Oh my goodness, the whole family jumped, bro. Like, look at this, bro. One try to follow him, the second one defending him. Then it look, bro. It was like 1, 2, all 4 of them jumped for one person offensively. And he still scored. They need to fire the whole team. Player wise, they need to get a whole new roster. My man be running into stuff, hearing stuff like he a bowling ball about to hit pinballs. Because my man just be, boy, he's hustler, man. He got lion heart for real. When my man going after the ball and sacrifice his body to get on that floor and dish it out to his teammates, he does a magnificent, amazing job every single time, man. And ain't nothing like a coach seeing a player sacrifice their body to dive on the floor, keep the ball alive, keep the play alive, and also make sure your team has another playmaking opportunity if they haven't already tried, or another opportunity to just make a play. Period. You know, good to keep adding, just to keep adding up points on the scoreboard to win a game. Wraparound pass. Nice. Yeah, Larry be charging right at him straight up.
Sometimes you wanna get higher, and sometimes you gotta start low. Some people think they're gonna die someday. I got news, you never got to go.
my man wingspan. You think he ain't gonna catch the
Got to
ball?
go.
Hey, come on, bro. He's turtle. Why he always end up having 2 defenders on him and still score, bro? Like, you can't trap him. You cannot trap him. Let's play trying to do defensive. Type of way. My man just be launching that thing. It go right beautifully into the teammates' hand and they just scored effortlessly. And I don't think nobody hustled for the ball as hard as Larry Bird. Even got the fans pushing my man. Even got the fans being a seat for him just to push him and then launch him back out to go back out there, keep being incredible and legendary as he is. Larry Bird gonna dunk it. Got that ball right back. That is legendary, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, and on that note, family, peace.